I have a quick announcement. If you were here yesterday for the live stream for the Plan With Me video for December, I told you I wanted to take December off and kind of just watch the Hallmark Channel, basically. That's it. Just catch up on Christmas movies and kind of like decompress from everything that happened in November. However, I do love connecting with you guys and hanging out, so I'm still going to keep doing YouTube videos, and I'm going to add Tuesday live streams for every Tuesday in December. So, all right, here's the schedule. We're going to basically go back and forth. We're going to do a webinar one week and then do a live, like, follow along lab the next week in case you guys have tech questions. So it's going to look like this. Tuesday, December 8th, we are going to do the YouTube webinar where I'm going to show you how to start your first YouTube channel. And then the next week on Tuesday, December 15th, we are going to do a lab, and I'm going to actually walk you through how, like, what to click to set up your first YouTube channel, how to put your channel art in there, how to put your headshot in there, all that good stuff. And I'll also show you how to go live on StreamYard if that's something you want to do as well, and how to then multi-stream it to your YouTube channel so you can see everything on the back end. The next week on December 15th, I will be doing a webinar on how to create your first course. And after that, the next Tuesday, on Tuesday, December 29th, did I say that right? Then we'll do a lab where I'll walk you through how to set up Thinkific, and I'll also do a lab on how to set up Podia. So those are the two main platforms that I've used most recently, and I still think they're both equally great. So we'll talk about the pros and cons of each, and I'll just show you on the back end, like, exactly what you need to click to set those up. So that is the schedule. So to recap really quick, Tuesday, December 8th is how to create your first YouTube channel. On the 15th, that next week, I will do, I'll show you on the back end exactly what to click. On the 22nd, we'll talk about how to create your first course. And on the 29th, I will show you exactly how to set up Thinkific and Podia for the first time. So I will leave links to all of those below, and looking forward to hanging out with you guys some more.